Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Last piece po ng ating KWC 75 airgun pistol. Shoutout po natin Sir Mark ng Cavite. Okay, so last piece, last unit, full metal KWC 75 airgun pistol. Gas blowback, chambered in 4.5mm steel ball, bolitas yan, bolitas. CO2 powered propellant, good for 60 shots. Ito yung mga kasama, bolitas, extra cup, tsaka allen, tsaka yung product catalog and then the manual. Yan. KWC 75 full metal gas blowback airsoft pistol, 17 rounder capacity magazine, metal mag, manual safety, ambidextrous. Yan. So, ito sir, normally nagkakaroon ng dents dito. So, that's normal. Mamaya pag tinest natin, nagkakaroon siya ng kaunting dents. So, that's normal naman kasi bakal to bakal kaya nagkakaroon talaga ng friction. Bakal to bakal po. Okay. So, full metal siya. Load tayo ng bala. BBs. Ito yung bolitas na 4.5. Mm. Sagad nyo lang yung spring. Dito nyo po ilalaglag yung bala. Diyan po. So 17 rounder siya. Okay, so asan yung silicone? Yung nilalagay ko po ay silicone oil po yun. Bago po natin lagyan ng CO2, patakan nyo lang po ng kaunting patak ng silicone. Ito yung cup, meron siyang extra na cup. Ito yung extra, ito yung isa nakakabit po. Meron siyang extra. Last piece na po ito, last piece. Last unit po sa KWC 75, last piece. Ayan. So, pihit lang, yung tamang higpit. Tamang higpit lang po. Pihit, tamang higpit. And load. So, testing po tayo. So, wala lang tayong bote ngayon. Kaya nabusan tayo ng bote. Kaya testing lang po natin sa plate. KWC 75 airgun pistol. Testing po KWC 75 airgun pistol. Pairing. Wala ng bala, open slide, release magazine, baba mo lang yung slide, stop slide, release, and hammer down. Okay, all good sir. Ayan sir, yung konting dents lang. KWC 75 airgun.